Hey guys, Frugal Samurai here, hope you guys are well. So many of us have a massive burden in our lives, one that feels like an anchor around our finances, and of course I'm referring to our home loans. So in today's video, I'll show you 6 quick and easy hacks to pay down your mortgage as fast as possible without the need for a second job or even an increase in your income. Are you interested? Make sure you watch the video to the end because these 6 hacks are so easy, anyone can do them. So hack number 1 is to leave all your savings in your mortgage offset account. Now it is crazy that these days there are still people out there with a separate savings account and also a loan offset account. Now a savings account may be earning you interest around 1.5 to 1.7% per annum, but the loan offset account is actually offsetting against the mortgage interest rate that's being charged, typically around 3%. So you are missing out on the difference here. So by way of an example, let's say that you have a $500,000 mortgage and a $100,000 in savings. Now, if you had left that $100,000 in savings in a normal savings account, let's say earning you 1.5% per annum, then you will be earning $1,500 every year. But let's say that if you left that $100,000 in your offset account, which is offsetting against the mortgage interest rate at around 3%, then you are actually saving $3,000 per annum. Now this means that you are missing out on a difference of $1,500 per annum that's going into your back pocket. Oh, and there's a bonus tip guys, and that is to change your salary credit account to your offset account. So this means that when your wages get paid in, it is automatically offsetting against your mortgage. So hack number 2 is to round up your repayments. So what I mean by this is, let's say that you have a $500,000 principal and interest loan over 30 years at 3%. So the monthly repayments of that comes to $2,108. But let's say that you wanted to pay a little bit extra each month and you want to pay $2,200 per month. This might not sound like much in the short term, but over the life of the loan, you've actually saved $17,500. And if you actually just wanted to increase the monthly repayments to $2,300 a month, you would have saved almost $34,000 over the life of the loan. Heck, why stop there? If you've got any spare cash flow and you wanted to pay even more into the loan, let's say you wanted to pay $2,500 or an extra $100 a week into the loan, that would actually be a saving of over $60,000 over the lifetime of the loan. So hack number 3 is to make your repayments more frequently. This is a simple mathematical trick because the loan interest is charged daily. So it makes sense that the more frequent your repayments are, the more potential interest that you can save. So when you sign up for a mortgage, the default options are monthly repayments. Coming back to our earlier example of $2,108 per monthly repayment, that is actually fortnightly repayment of $1,054. But wait, the trick here is instead of making 12 monthly repayments, you are making 26 fortnightly repayments, but then 26 fortnightly repayments equates to 13 months, which means that you are effectively making an extra month of repayments just by changing the frequency of when you pay into the loan. This means that there is a saving of over $34,000 over the lifetime of the loan just by that little change. So hack number 4 is any bonus is a bonus. So what I mean by this is any bonus you receive either in the form of a tax refund or let's say even a bonus from work, put that into your mortgage because as we've determined before, loan interest is calculated daily. So if we can smash out the loan as early as possible, as much as possible, so this means that we'll be paying less interest over the life of the loan. So hack number 5 is to ask for a lower rate from your lender. So this can be as easy as calling your lender and asking for a lower rate. Now I've done this personally with one of my loans recently, which was sitting at around high 3% with one of the big 4. And so what I did was I scanned one of their competitors offering rates in the low 3s, and I called up my lender and basically quoted them the competitor offering and said, match it or I'm walking. The whole conversation honestly lasted about 5 minutes. Now the net result of this is that I've shaved over 0.5% on the interest rate of the loan, which might not sound like much, but it does equate to around a couple of $100 in savings, and also over the long term, over $36,000 over the life of the loan. And this brings us to hack number 6, which is to refinance your loan. So if your existing lender isn't willing to budge, just walk. If they're not willing to do the right thing by you, why should you do the right thing by them? You might want to think about some of the smaller lenders out there who are offering simple, no frills loan packages often on a lower rate under 3%. In fact, I've seen some loan introductory rate offers under 2%. Ridiculous. If you wanted to check it out, why not have a look at some loan comparison websites like finder.com.au or ratecity.com.au to see which loan might be right for you. There you have it, guys. 6 very quick and very easy steps anyone can implement today to pay down their home loan faster. There's no need for a second job, no need for a pay rise, minimal effort, maximum return. And as always, if you can do me a big favor, if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, hit that subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on notification on, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye bye.